How to change your Latch batteries, a Zia feature film. First, you need a Phillips head screwdriver and 6 AA batteries. The batteries will be provided at the front office for you. Please unscrew the screw on the top and the bottom of the latch panel on the inside of your door. From there, the panel should easily pull off. Once you replace your batteries, feel free to slide the panel back on the door and screw in the screws. Now, check your battery percentage. Please find your door on the Latch app and scroll to your apartment door. Select the door that you are trying to change the batteries on and press Device Details. It should reflect your updated battery life. Now, let's update your door.
And after you change your battery, you have to update your lock. So you go to Update, put your phone up to your lock, and press the button, and it starts the update process.
From there, you should be good to go. Thank you all so much, and if you have any questions, feel free to stop by the leasing office.